Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you another case of DIY install. We have a scenario here with a customer came over, tried to install a system on his vehicle. The first thing we noticed that the company who sold him the system didn't want to educate the customer properly to understand that for a vehicle like his, he should use a digital system and not an analog. So they just sold him whatever they had in stock, and obviously they're probably not technicians, so they just sold, online sales without a technician in the back that can tell you what fits your vehicle. It's a lot of times risky. Second thing is they gave him a diagram to install. The diagram looks simple for wiring. The thing is, there's a lot of stuff there that if you're not a technician, you wouldn't know how to test properly. And by doing so, he got up to a situation that the system doesn't work. Now he has what we like to call a good case scenario, that all he has to do is remove everything and we have to reinstall it. So he's paying a bit more on doing the reinstall. But it could be a bad case scenario, which could have resulted in a computer not working or airbags not working, and something that's even worse. And this is where you don't want to end up. So DIY is maybe going to save you a few dollars, but if it's going to do any damage to the vehicle, it can cost much more, and it can also do some damage that is irreversible. So we say, find someone to install the system for you, technician that has a license, give you peace of mind, and it will work well. Subscribe to our channel and visit our website, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.